Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Itsnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the root user on a macOS system. Let's get started. The first thing we have to do is put our mouse over the little apple, click on it, and then move down to System Preferences and click on that. For some reason my System Preferences keeps jumping into iCloud, so if that happens just click the little arrow here and then go down to Users and Groups and then Login Options, and then click the little padlock to make changes and enter your password to authenticate. Then click Edit, open Directory Utilities, click the password again to authenticate, and then you can go up to the Edit menu and select Enable Root User. It will ask you for a password for the root user, so enter a password and verify it. Hit return or select OK. You can now come out of this. And just before you do, you can go up to Edit and you can see Disable Root User is there instead of Enable. The only reason it's greyed out is because I've already closed off the lock. Just as you can see. So we can come out of that and let's try and see if the user actually works. So let's log in. Username is root and the password, if I can type it correctly, is the one we've just set. Give it a moment to log in. There we go. And up here it should say System Administrator once it finally logs in. There we go, System Administrator. So that is how you enable or disable the root user account on a macOS system. If you like this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.